Okay, so I'm going to do a fairly quick video today of feeding the fish. Dun, dun, dun. So yeah, we're getting the remnants of that huge hurricane, and the pool is going to get closed. As you can see, it's getting full of leaves, so we got to close her up. The leaves are falling. Winter is coming. Oh no, the fish are going to die. No, they're not, because they're inside of a passive solar greenhouse, and we're going to feed them today. All these panels here will be closed for the winter time, which is coming quickly. We've got 44 degrees or so Fahrenheit, a little bit over 10 C. It's nipply out here, ladies and gentlemen. So now we're going to go into the ghetto ass greenhouse, operational for 11 years. Can you believe it? It's withstood hurricanes, derechos, you name it. And it's beautiful in here. There's my plants. And there's, one of the fishies is dead over there. The catfish are eating the goldfish. Oh, he's very close to dead. Ooh, I won't focus on that because the catfish actually end up eating the goldfish, as I have found out. But let's see if we can give them some catfish food. You can see the goldfish coming up, and then the catfish will start coming, and they're vicious. I believe this is where the goldfish are getting injured when the catfish come up. Let's see if we can get some catfish action. Ooh, there's one coming up. I think they don't like being filmed. But I'm going to do an underwater shot of the feeding frenzy someday soon. I've got a waterproof camera that I can stick in the pond. You can see the one goldfish over there on the end is near dead. I really should put him out of his misery because I think he's in pain. He's been getting eaten alive, basically. Sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen, but nature is cruel. Quick view of the mushroom part of the greenhouse. Not much going on. The mushrooms are already harvested, so these beds are all going to be aquaponic mushroom beds. A lot of people like to argue with me whether they're truly aquaponic or not, but let me explain why they are. Right now, the fish water feeds the plants, and the plants, this is a soil bed right here, cleans the water for the fish and puts the water back into the pond. Well, the aquaponic system is no different. The fish water provides nitrates and nutrients for the straw, and then the mushrooms, mycelium, actually denitrifies the water, so it's also acting kind of like the plants. And then the clean water goes back into the pond. You can see that mushroom bed over there is dumping clean, fresh water into the pond. And of course, this one over here is getting ready to sprout or to spit. And basically, that's the way it works. All these beds flood and drain. And there's the poor fish. My gosh. I think I'm going to take him out of his misery today because I can't bear to see him like that. Anyways, you guys have a wonderful day today. Please like, subscribe, love, live, love, and have a great, great week. Thanks.